Hi everyone! Today we're gonna make a delicious, healthy soup. So I'm gonna use onion, zucchini, celery, carrot, and mushrooms, and I wanna add a little bit ginger and rainbow chard with red beets and potato. Okay, I chose this ingredient because mushrooms is healthy for your liver and many other things, red beets for your blood, this is my choice of vegetables. And we're gonna cook it together, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.
Hi, my name is Tatiana Vinci. I'm from Sicily, a part of Italy where the best food originates. If you know what I mean. Since I came to LA, people are always asking me how to make many of my recipes. So I decided to show you some of my favorites, like my grandma taught me.
Buonissima.
Today, I'm Tatiana the Garlic Head. Let's go and cook together. Ah, by the way, don't forget to subscribe. Capito?
Ciao! After we chop all the vegetables, I'm gonna choose some portion, like a 2 spoons, and I'm gonna start sauteing them, okay? Gently sauteed. Instead of boil them right away, I'm gonna, add olive oil and saute. So this is a little bit different, maybe trick, but it's very nice. It gives a taste of the juice. It's gonna be like more tasty, I don't know, more delicious. I'm gonna saute it very light, and I'm gonna add the water after a little bit and more vegetables, okay? So let's see here. I'm gonna saute this for 4 minutes, and after that I'm gonna add some water and I'm gonna add more vegetables so they can boil, okay? It's really delicious and very healthy. You can add more vegetables. Usually sometimes I add the cabbage, the red cabbage, which is very good too. So I added a little bit of more vegetables in the pan so that I can saute more of them. The more the better. This soup, guys, is really healthy. It's just amazing, okay? It's got everything you need. So now I'm gonna add them all. See? The mushrooms is really good too. You will think like, what? Mushrooms got to do, but actually it does. So I'm gonna mix them more. So I'm gonna also add a little bit of ginger, like that. And when the soup is ready, I'm gonna remove these pieces. It's just that I wanna make sure that it takes the taste, that we're gonna have obviously ginger in the soup because it's healthy too. Here we go. So now I'm gonna add water. Okay, here we go. And I'm gonna wait probably 1 hour, low flame, and I'm gonna make them cook. So I'm gonna add also the stock because it gives really good taste. And I'm gonna sprinkle like that. I'd like to add stock everywhere. No, it's very good. It tastes really good with the stock. It changes really the taste. So, yes, I'm gonna wait 1 hour. It's about that time to the soup to be ready, and we're gonna eat. So now that I cooked this for 1 hour, it looks really ready. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the ginger that I placed before. Okay, so blah. So all the ginger pieces, I just remove it. I don't want to eat them really. And I'm gonna add a drop of olive oil, very little olive oil, raw. Okay, just like that. And I'm gonna wait until it goes cold, and I'm gonna eat this beautiful, amazing soup. I hope you like it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. So I'm gonna wait until this cool off, and I'm gonna eat and enjoy it, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. Ciao, see you later.